Hey guys, I wanted to show you really quick this change that I had the browser extension make for me. Let me show you what the conversation was like. It was a simple conversation, and that's one of the key things about the browser is that you can do, a prompt, but you can also simply have a conversation. So I just said I have a Google Sheet open, and I had the Google Sheet open so that people can add their contact information, promote themselves. There are three tabs, one for contact, one for collaboration opportunities, the other one for affiliate links. I've had this for a while, but no one is using it. I want to change this to one sheet and something that people want to use. And so what Claude did through the web browser extension was take a look at the sheet that I had and went through all of the tabs. And it said, here's what I found because these were the fields that were in each of these three tabs. And it told me what friction it was causing and, why it was not working. Okay. And then it gave a proposed redesign and to consolidate it into the one sheet. And so then it asks, what do you want to do? You want me to rebuild the existing sheet, start fresh, modify? And I said start fresh with the structure that it gave me, right? And then I would just re-enter my info. So now it went through a series of rebuilding and it rebuilt the entire sheet. Okay. And with all of the suggestions that it gave, it even changed the name. It removed all the tabs. It changed the name of this tab, and it actually just formatted it. You see here, the first row is frozen. The top row is frozen. Also, you can now use your links here to drop down and just choose which one you're looking for. And you can scroll across here. You can also filter. You can also filter. So I'm really excited here. So it says what changed, renamed the CEO contacts and collaborations to CEO visibility and collab directory, much more compelling and keyword rich. Went from the three tabs to one CEO directory, the new column layout. It gave me the purple. I don't know where it keeps getting purple from, so I'm going to have to correct that because my color is not purple. But it does keep doing that. I think in the beginning when I was first working with Claude, I used purple. So anyway, and it tells you about the rows that are frozen, and then it even tells me why this will get more traction. So I just wanted to really show you the capabilities of this browser extension, and it did all of this, and I went and made up the bed. Okay. I said yes, and I went and made up the bed, and now this is live. Hey, listen, if you want to learn how to, use Claude more effectively, join us in the Solo CEO Lab, and I will drop the links in the description. Until we meet again, hey, you just remember that I want you to be seen, be heard, and get paid with AI.